Want free music for your YouTube videos without worrying about copyright? Looking for a way to download tracks straight to your files with zero hassle? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube's audio library directly into your system. Step-by-step guide. Before we jump in, if this helps you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people find these useful tips. Alright, let's get started. YouTube offers a built-in feature called the Audio Library, a collection of royalty-free tracks you can use on your channel, even if you're monetizing your content. To access it, go to the top right corner of YouTube and click your profile icon. If you're not logged in, make sure to sign in first. Then, click on YouTube Studio. Once inside your studio dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audio Library. Now you'll see a whole list of music tracks available for free use. Using and downloading the music. You can preview how a song sounds by pressing the little play button next to it. If you like what you hear, move your cursor over to the right-hand side and click on the download icon. The download will start immediately. Once it's downloaded, you can locate the file either directly from your browser's download bar, or by opening File Explorer or your Files app and navigating to the Downloads folder. Your track will be right there, ready to use in your videos. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more quick guides and creator tips. It only takes a second and really helps us grow this community. And that's it, free music from YouTube downloaded directly to your files, without breaking any rules. Simple, fast, and safe. If you enjoyed this guide or want more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.